我们来看一下这一道题 ，The wild cat， 我们把它读一遍。In the photo, the wild cat's huge paws are clamped onto the side of the white safari jeep, in which Chapel was a passenger, almost as tall as the jeep on her hind legs. She appears to be forcing the muzzle into the back window. 我们把这道题来分开看一看。第一部分 ，in the photo。OK， 非常简单。In the photo， 停顿。The wild 这个单词呢是 wild， 这个有个 l， 很多同学这个单词会读成 wide， 你看 wild。OK，the wild cats， 注意这个 s。The wild cats huge paws， 这个呢就是音标里面的 all paws are clamped onto， 你不能读成 claimed onto， 不能断得太开。OK。Clamped 这个 p 后面的 d 呢偏 t 的发音，同学们要注意一下。Are clamped onto the side of the white safari， OK，safari white safari jeep， 这呢是一个词组 white safari jeep， 这个吉普车对不对 ？In which， 所以这里呢我们可以一个 tiny pause， 同学们 ，in which Chapel 一个人名 ，Chapel was a passenger。OK， 所以单词呢不是很难，就注意一下这个 pause clamped。OK，clamped。In the photo, the wildcat's huge paws are clamped onto the side of the white safari jeep, in which Chapel was a passenger. 我们来看一下第二部分。第二部分呢，似乎没有难的单词吧？但这个单词呢，大家可能会把它读错，可能读成 hind， 应该是 hind。OK，hind 后腿 hind。Almost as tall as the jeep， 这里呢 almost 这个 t 呢我们可以把它弱化 almost as tall as 这个 t 呢非常的弱，我再读一遍 almost as tall as the OK almost as tall as the jeep as tall as the jeep 这一块呢我们千万不要有过多的停顿，不要读成了 almost as tall as the jeep 就错了 almost as tall as the jeep on her hind legs 逗号停顿 she appears to be forcing the muzzle into the back window。 这一块呢，其实不用停。你要说非要停的话呢 ，she appears to be forcing the muzzle 这一块呢有个 tiny pause 是可以的，但是我觉得这个没有必要停，我讲过嘛，对不对？就是我们尽量少停。所以这篇文章呢其实并不难。我们来读一遍吧。In the photo, the wildcat's huge paws are clamped onto the side of the white safari jeep, in which Chapel was a passenger, almost as tall as the jeep on her hind legs. She appears to be forcing the muzzle into the back window. All right, thank you guys.